So guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to stop scammers from accessing your phone number and also show you the simple hack through which they get to access your phone number. That setting on your phone that gives scammers access to your phone number. Not just scammers, even advertisers. Sometimes you might be wondering, how did these people get access to my phone number? I'll be showing you those settings on your phone that actually give them access to your phone number. So what you do is you just ensure you pay attention from the beginning of this tutorial to the very end so that you don't miss any step of the process. So if you are new on this channel, this is Charles Chinonso, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow a YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, ensure you like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So what you do is you just go to your phone setting. Right here, I'm already on my phone setting. I'll be showing you 4 different steps which you must take if you don't want scammers to access your phone number again. Come to your setting. So once you're on your setting like this, the very first step you must take is you go to Google. Go to Google. Right here is Google. So once you're on Google like this, come over to where you have all services. So tap on all services, then you scroll down till you find phone number sharing. Can you see that? Phone number sharing. So once you tap on phone number sharing right here, you can see this is turned on. So with this setting on right here, it means you gave Google the permission to share your phone number with third-party apps. Can you see that? So just go ahead and turn this off, and once you turn it off, it means henceforth Google will no longer share your phone number to third-party apps. So this is the first step you must take if you want to stop scammers or advertisers from accessing your phone number. So the second step you must take is you come into your setting. Come to your phone setting. So right here we're already on our phone setting again. So come over here and search for permission manager. Permission manager. Can you see? Search for this. Once you search for permission manager, then this opens up for you. Then you open permission manager. You can see right here it shows permission manager again. So tap on it. Then right here you get to see several lists right here. So come over to here, you have call logs. So once you come to call logs, right here you get to see several apps that have access to your call history. So the question you should ask yourself is, do these apps really need access to my call history? Like, what are they using it for? Do you get? So anyone you feel does not need access to your call history, go ahead and turn it off. So let's tap on Facebook, for example. So you can see it's allow right here. So I'll go ahead and click on don't allow. So henceforth, it means Facebook will no longer have access to my call history. You see, once they have access to your call history, they get to access every phone number you've called in the past. That way they can easily reach out to those phone number and also pitch one or two to them. If they are a scammer, they can reach out to that phone number and also scam the person. So that's the second step you must take. Now the third step you should take if you want to stop scammers from accessing your phone number. Still on permission manager, don't go too far. Still on permission manager, come over to where you have contacts. So once you click on contact right here, this one means these apps you are seeing right here that are under allowed, it means they all have access to your contacts. They all have access to your phone number. Also ask yourself, do they really need access to your phone number? What are they using it for? For example, you can see right here Copilot is showing right here. What is Copilot using my phone numbers for? What is Copilot using my contacts on my phone for? So I'll click on Copilot, then right here I'll click on don't allow. So once I click on don't allow, it means henceforth Copilot no longer have access to my contacts. Do you get? So that's how you do it. Like, go ahead and check every apps you're seeing right here and get to click on don't allow on whichever one you feel should not have access to your contacts. Don't worry, you have no reason to be worried. If at any point you want to access them and they now request for your phone number again, you can now carefully access it if truly you should give them your phone number. I believe you understand me, right? Alright, so let's proceed to the last step you must take if you want to stop fake people or scammers from accessing your phone number. So this one is very simple. All you need to do is just go to your Chrome browser. So once you're your Chrome browser right here, go ahead and click on these 3 dots up here. Once you click on that, then you come over to where you have setting. Can you see setting? So I believe you are getting value, guys. If you are getting value and you've not subscribed to this channel, you are very wrong. So do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So right here you look for where you have addresses and more. So once you click on addresses and more, you can see this is turned on. It means you gave Google access to share your data, your personal data, with third-party websites. That is what this one means, and this is the most important and dangerous one. It means you gave Google access to share your personal data with third-party websites. So let's proceed and turn this off. Once you turn this off, it means that those third-party websites no longer have access to your personal data. So, and that is basically the first step you must take if you want to stop scammers from accessing your phone number. So I believe you got value, guys. I believe you actually got value from this tutorial. Just go ahead and implement every step of the process so that you get to protect yourself from scam in the future. So if you got value watching this tutorial, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section that you got value, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.